Chapter 6. Force, Work and Energy. In our day-to-day life, we see various objects around us. For example, computer, book, chair, table, etc. They do not move on their own. They require action such as a pull or push. Let us learn about what a force is. Force. A push or a pull acting on an object is called force. It is necessary for us as it has many uses. A force can move a stationary object, make a moving object move faster, change the shape and size of an object, change the direction of a moving object. Types of force. Let us know about various types of force. Gravitational force. Gravity. Gravity is the force that acts downwards and pulls various objects towards the center of the earth. That's why every object that we throw up comes down on the earth after some time. Example. The leaves and fruits fall from a tree downwards towards the ground. Buoyant force. When we push down a bottle floating on water, we feel an upward thrust. The upward push of water on a floating object is called buoyant force. It acts on every object, even on a swimmer when he/she enters a swimming pool. Muscular force. This force is exerted by using body parts such as arms or legs. It is produced by muscle action. For example, cycling, lifting a heavy box, etc. Mechanical force. This force is used by the most simple machines. For example, a stapler uses mechanical force to staple something, and the cranes use mechanical force to lift heavy things. Work. Just try to move your chair, you can easily move it. Now try to move an almirah. You cannot move it, although you applied force in both activities. But the work is done only in the activity A because the chair moves but the almirah does not. In science, the work is said to be done if a push or pull moves an object through a distance. Energy. The ability to do work is called energy. We often come across the word energy. We often eat a lot of milk, vegetables and fruits to grow strong and to have energy to do work without getting tired. In fact, all living beings need energy to work and play. Sources of energy. Energy exists in different forms. Let us know about it. Solar energy. The sun is the main source of energy. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. It is non-polluting. We use it for drying wet clothes kept in the open. Also, the solar panels absorb the energy of the sun to provide heat for cooking. Wind energy. Energy from the wind is called wind energy. It is a sustainable, renewable, widely distributed, clean and non-polluting source. We call it eco-friendly. It is converted into electrical energy using modern wind turbines. Heat energy. It is used for keeping our homes warm and cooking our food. Most of the heat energy that we use comes from burning fuels such as coal, kerosene and petrol. Light energy. It is a kind of kinetic energy which allows various forms of lights visible to the human eyes. Sun, bulbs, tube lights and a burning candle are some sources of light energy. Atomic energy. Atom means the smallest particle of matter. The energy that is released by splitting by atoms is known as the atomic energy. It is used for generating electricity. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. However, it changes from one form to another.